Garlic low. Haha. Remember when you said, I want you to go grab me some fish for dinner? And here you are, cooking chicken?
Because I don't know what time you're coming home.
So you didn't think, so you thought I was gonna get skunked, huh?
No, I'm going.
Well, I didn't get skunked. Heck yeah! Alright guys, let's do a walkthrough of our place at Tall Timbers. Hello there everybody, Brent here with another fishing video. Today we are at Watch Lake in the Cariboo, and we are at the Tall Timbers Resort, so I'm going to give you guys a little tour of that as well. And we are at Watch Lake, and this is an 8 kilometer per hour restriction, no motor restrictions, only for speed. And yeah, it's a beautiful place and it's full of rainbow trout. And I talked to the owner and of that resort, and he said it's stocked about 40,000 rainbows a year, so that sounds quite a bit. And this is mainly a fly fishery, as it's super shallow in certain areas, and there's only a certain depth of the lake, a certain area in the lake that's only about 35 feet. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy and stick around for the whole episode. And if you haven't yet, please do like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the notification bell to be notified of my future videos. Join my Facebook fishing group, Fishing is My Happy Place, and see you guys on the water. Let's fish on. Okay, I'm gonna move this one right here. Put it on this side. But that was top 10 feet. Nice. Does it feel good? It's right here. It's right here. Nice size. Oh, hold it. Fish on, guys. Oh, it just popped out. Okay, so what I did differently, just like Lac Lejeune. Ow. Ow, I just stepped on this hook. Decided to take off my shoes because it got wet on the dock. So yeah, so this is what I'm using, this color. Still got my gang troll, DIY. So let's go try that again. I used worm this time, and I sprayed it with lunker garlic spray, just like Lac Lejeune video, and I got a bite. Let's try it again. So I took this half a dew worm and I put it through the tandem hooks, and then I'm gonna apply some of this lunker spray. This place is kind of a tricky lake, definitely a lot of shallow spots. There's only one area where it has a deep area, which is about 35 feet at max. So that's where we're gonna hang out today because the sun is at full brightness right now. So let's give it a shot. Let it out about 50 feet behind the boat, and then let it down about 25 feet. Okay, we're rebaited. We'll see you guys on the next bite. Okay, we got a bite. Okay, we got a bite. Another bite. Oh! Popped out. Yeah, so this worm thing is working, guys. So let's give it another shot. Keep going at it. We're gonna take our worms, put it on the top hook, and then I'm gonna get it on the second one. The only thing different is on the second one I'm gonna do kind of a wrap, and then I'm gonna pinch off the rest, and it's gonna end up looking like voila. So this worked at Lac Lejeune as well. So check out that Lac Lejeune video, and then we're gonna spray that thing with garlic. Put it right here. Try not to spray it all over the place because it does kind of make a mist. Hey guys, really big bite. Really big bite. Oh yeah. The bigger one. The bigger one. Heck yeah! Haha! Woo! Oh yeah, it's a nicer size. 18 incher. Teton tackle hoochie with a smiley blade and the skateboard dodger. And check it out. Wash Lake rainbow trout. Woo! And I still got the worm too. Haha! Right in the corner of the mouth. Heck yeah! Heck yeah, baby! Woo! So I was actually sent out on a mission. The wife says, I want you to go catch some fish for dinner. And without even letting her finish the sentence, I just ran off the door. Heck yeah! Woo! That feels good! Heck yeah, baby! So it's a blue one. I never used the blue one. And I'm gonna use it more often, guys. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on top of the dodger. Okay? And I'm gonna spray it. That way the garlic gets the remnants of that garlic love. Haha! Earlier I got a bite on this color. So I'm gonna try this shrimp right here from Teton Tackle with a pink spinning glow. But it does have that blue on there, so let's give that a shot. Sprayed it with that lunker garlic spray, spinning glow, pink, and a Silver Slayerz dodger. Pretty nice dodger. Let it out. Hope to get one more. Wife says get fish for dinner. Go catch me some fish for dinner. I'm gonna go ask her when I get back in how many did she want. Because we have 3 on the boat. So 5 is the limit on this lake, guys. This is Watch Lake in region 5. No motor restriction, but it does have an 8 km/h. So no wakes. Load the line. See you guys on the next bite. Not bad, guys, not bad. We got a haul today. This is the dock. There's another dock over there, but that's actually more of a boat launch than this one. Okay, they have a little gut hut over here. They got some trailer hookups, if you wish. And that main building right there is the office. Hey babe, remember when I said, remember when you said, I want you to go grab me some fish for dinner?
Yeah.
And here you are, cooking chicken?
Because I don't know what time you're coming home.
So you didn't think, so you thought I was gonna get skunked, huh?
No, I'm going.
Well, I didn't get skunked.
Good for you.
He was pretty biggin. An 18-inch biggin. But anyway, that looks good though.
Oh, it's still frozen, but it's so hungry. So.
Okay. We got a fish. You gonna help me chop some wood, Sam? Thanks for helping, guys.
Whoa!
See, this is called an awl. You see how it has a blade, but it has a big wedge right here? Destruction! Hey, you ready for destruction?
We're ready for it to fall.
Woo!
What if Dad couldn't break it?
You don't know, I used to be world famous for my wood axing ways. Don't you know? Oh, you okay?
Ow!
You alright?
No!
You alright? Are you bleeding? Watch out, guys.
Took a bit of skin off.
Did? Let me see. Let me see.
Ow!
Oh, just a little bit.
There's a lot though.
So we'll take this axe right here and we'll make small kindling with it.
You took
But we still need to get your guys marshmallow sticks.
I wanna try it. Oh, minier one? I wanna try that one.
A small axe is called a hatchet, guys.
I wanna try that one.
It might get hurt. You wanna try? Last thing we want for you to get hurt though. it works good though.
Yeah.
Let's go find some marshmallow sticks. Okay, who's got another one? I got one done.
You could slow mo.
Alright guys, let's do a walkthrough of our place at Tall Timbers. Open it. Yeah, so this is actually a trailer, so let's take a look. We never stayed at a trailer like this, but we definitely like trying new things. So check it out. This is the living space. Not quite sure if that's the pull-out. I'll have to double check because we didn't really need it. And that's the living space. We got a dining table here. And we got a stove and a full fridge and freezer. And all the cutleries and pots and pans all there. We got a coffee maker. We got a sink. We got some hot water. And right there's the view. So that's the lake right there. And this is that main cabin. Also has some units in there for rental, as well as the store and office, which is just down that way. So yeah, this is actually a lot brighter than it looks because we do have lots of windows. Let's go check out the abode at Tall Timbers. So here you go. So we got one room right here. So this looks like it's a double. And then we have two bunk beds on top of each other. Okay, we got some closet space. And we have a double door set and then some more closet space right here. Okay, let's check out the other room. Okay, so we do have a thermostat over there. We have some forced air right here, heating and air conditioning, and we have a laundry right here. And this is the full washroom. So we got a toilet, we got the shower. We have hot water in the shower as well. It is a smaller tank, but if you time it right, everybody should be able to take a shower. And then, so this is the master bedroom. Lots of space. And we got the mirror. Hey, what's up guys? And this is the view from the back. So right there is that washroom, and so that's communal washroom and laundry. We won't be needing that since we have our own. That's one place over here that I can share with you guys. And not bad. Not bad at all. The hosts are friendly. If you need something, they'll come right over. Let's just say this. I spilled milk and they gave me a small cup for my coffee. Okay, coming out to the front deck, we have our central patio right here. So this is where we had a little barbecue last night. And then we have our fire pit in there, and we have another picnic bench right there. And yeah, that's the front view of our stay. So why don't we take a little walk? You guys want to take a quick walk to the front? Come on, Sam. You want to go to the store, right? Come on, bring your cash. Bring your coins. Okay guys, so yeah, we're walking by that cabin right here. So this is the main front there. We got a nice patio over there. So let's go to the office. Let's go check out, give our keys back. Right here. And see if there's any last minute buys. Maybe some ice cream for the kiddos. Okay, we got a bell right there, awesome. Okay, so this is the office and the storefront. Walking in, we got a map and they got a little store over here. Got some ice cream. And we got some flies. Okay, we're checking out. Here's the keys. And the kids want some more ice cream on the way.
Ice cream on the way?
Okay, she brought the coins.
Thank you very much for coming, everybody.
Thank you very much for having us.
Did you like these things?
You like those ones? Freezies?
Yeah.
Yeah, pink's not bad.
Okay, you can have those.
Yeah, you okay with that?
I'm okay with that.
Okay, thank you, Rob.
Hey.
So this is Rob, guys. So we got Rob here. He was our host, and he toured us around. He showed us the boat launch and the gut hut. And he's the one that saved my butt from spilling the coffee for milk. Thank you.
Remember, Tall Timbers Resort, customer service.
There you go, customer service. And then your partner in crime is Marilyn?
Maryland, yeah.
Okay, so these are the owners, and they've been taking care of the place, and they've been really great hosts. And I hope you guys check out that link below. Check out that our stay. Check out that walking tour. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Tight lines, happy fishing. See you guys
Bye.
on the next fish.